Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show our latest development for the management API capabilities. Now we developed that feature mainly to allow easy tasks for security admins. Before starting, I would say that we a little bit deviated from the gateway side, which is our primary expertise, to the management side mainly because we wanted to make some daily tasks better and easier for security admins. For example, implementing a bulk of hosts and networks, adding or deleting will be a very easy task to do to Revive UI. The user will have to supply an Excel file consisting of all objects. During the upload, Revive will verify the details and upload it to the management, only if all validations will be okay. Now, we're aware of external tools like Postman and CP internal commands like mgmt clear, RESTful API, etc. Still, we wanted to do that easily for the user and most importantly to adapt our tool to the customer future needs with a rapid response to requirements in terms of API, but not only. Let's see what are the requirements. So basically, we will ask the user to supply us an Excel file, and the Excel file will consist that template operation, which is add or delete, group name, which is an existing group or not existing group. So if it's not exist, we will create that group. Hostname, IP address, which are mandatory fields, color, and comments. The same things go to networks. We have two sheets, and the operation is add, group name, net name, subnet mask, etc. Okay, now we close that Excel file and go to our UI, and we go to the devices. Okay, and we need to go to the management that has the API capabilities, and we need to right click on the management and add delete API multiple objects. Now we need to upload the Excel file, so load and add objects. The UI will show the exact information as we saw in the UI, in the Excel file, excuse me. So we see the host, we see the networks, the operation, and all of the details. The first thing that we need to do is we need to check the verify. The verify will go to the RESTful API and validate each line inside the management to see if the host is existing, not existing, if anything is wrong, if the IP is illegal, etc. And we'll get response back. Once done, we will see the status of each of the lines. So for example, here we see that dev88 has error. We double click on that error and we see that invalid parameter for IP address, not a valid IP address. So we get a full response from the management to see the errors and also the confirmation. The same things go to networks. So we see okay, and we see some errors. Let's see what that error means. Validation failed, one warning. More than one network with the same IP exists, and we get some validation error. The same things go here. Error, missing parameters. So everything that got from the API back, we got the response and we present it to the user in order for him to be much more smarter in terms of what exactly happened when it fails or when it succeeded. Now, in order to push those host and network to the policy, all we need to do is to perform action, and we will see the progress bar here. And if we go to the management, where are you, management? We will eventually see those hosts pushed to the policy and with the right color and with the right IP. As we can see, we have dev1 until dev27, and in networks we see the 4 networks added. The same things we can do also for deleting. I will just do that quickly and delete files, so we can see that the operation changed to delete. We can see the networks and we can push the policy, and if everything will be okay and the networks or the host will be existed, we will delete them one by one, and we also will take out those hosts and networks from the relevant groups and services. Let's jump into the management again. We can see that the networks were deleted, and also we see that the hosts were deleted, and so on. So we wanted to do that, as mentioned, to make the security admins much easier and the tasks that are painful and takes time to do it much quicker and easier. So two things that I want to mention: we are opening for suggestion in terms of API, but not only, and we will be happy to do a quick and very productive pilot in your organization. Thank you very much.